Artificial intelligence is rapidly changing the world around us. From self-driving cars to personalized medicine, AI is poised to revolutionize countless industries. One of the most exciting and perhaps daunting frontiers of AI lies in its potential to interface directly with the human brain. This burgeoning field, known as brain-computer interfaces or neural technology, seeks to bridge the gap between our minds and machines, opening up a realm of possibilities that were once confined to the realm of science fiction. Neural technology encompasses a wide range of technologies designed to interact with the nervous system. This can include anything from non-invasive devices like EEG headsets that measure brainwave activity to implantable electrodes capable of stimulating specific regions of the brain. These technologies hold immense promise for addressing a wide range of neurological disorders, restoring lost function to individuals with paralysis, and even augmenting human capabilities beyond their natural limits. The convergence of AI and neural technology represents a profound leap forward in our ability to understand, interact with, and potentially even enhance the human brain. By leveraging the power of machine learning algorithms, researchers are developing sophisticated BCIs capable of decoding complex neural signals and translating them into meaningful commands or actions. This has the potential to revolutionize the way we treat neurological disorders, interact with technology, and even perceive the world around us. However, as with any transformative technology, the integration of AI and brain tech raises profound ethical and societal implications that warrant careful consideration. As we stand on the cusp of this new era, it is imperative that we proceed with caution and foresight to ensure that these powerful tools are used responsibly and for the benefit of all humankind. The integration of AI with brain tech is not a futuristic fantasy, it's happening right now. Scientists and engineers are already developing AI-powered neural interfaces that can perform a variety of tasks. These interfaces rely on AI algorithms to interpret the complex electrical signals generated by the brain, effectively allowing machines to read our thoughts and intentions.
One area where this integration is showing great promise is in the field of assistive technology.